Are you eating sardines all wrong? You might be missing out on serious health benefits without even knowing it. These tiny fish are packed with protein, omega-3s, calcium, and vitamins that support your heart, brain, and bones. But here's the catch. Most people make simple mistakes that ruin all the goodness inside those cans. In today's video, I'm revealing the top mistakes people make when eating sardines and how you can unlock their full potential to get the most nutrition, flavor, and health benefits. You'll be surprised by how easy it is to fix these slip-ups. Ready? Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Throwing away the bones. Most people toss out the bones in sardines, but that's where the magic happens. Sardine bones are soft and packed with calcium, making them one of the best natural sources of this vital nutrient. By keeping them, you're getting an extra boost for strong bones and teeth, without even tasting them. So next time, leave the bones in and enjoy the full benefits without the extra effort. Mistake number 2. Choosing water-packed over oil. Water-packed sardines may seem like the healthier option, but here's the truth. They're usually dry, bland, and lack the omega-3s that make sardines so great. Sardines in oil help preserve those healthy fats and keep them moist, flavorful, and nutrient-dense. The oil also helps your body absorb more omega-3s. So, if you want the full flavor and nutritional value, go for oil-packed sardines every time. Mistake number 3. Leaving opened cans too long. Once you open a can of sardines, you need to eat them quickly. Leaving them exposed to air causes the oils to oxidize, ruining both the flavor and the nutritional content. Sardines packed in water go bad fastest, usually within 24 hours. To keep them fresh, transfer leftovers to an airtight container and eat them within 2 to 3 days. If you wait too long, you're losing precious nutrients. Mistake number 4, ignoring expiration dates. Canned sardines can last for years, but they don't last forever. Improper storage, like leaving them in a sunny kitchen or near heat, causes the oils to oxidize, which degrades the flavor and nutrition. And if the can's damaged, you're at risk for bacteria growth. To make them last, store sardines in a cool, dry place, and always check the expiration date. Don't let spoiled sardines ruin your meal. Mistake number 5. Only eating them straight from the can. Sardines are incredibly versatile, but many people only eat them straight from the can. Don't miss out on the endless possibilities. You can mash them into spreads, top toast with them, add them to pasta, or even toss them into salads. They're packed with protein and healthy fats, so get creative and make them a staple in all your dishes. Sardines aren't just a snack, they're a meal. Mistake number 6. Rinsing away taste and nutrition. Rinsing sardines might seem like a good idea to remove excess salt, but you're washing away flavor and essential nutrients like omega-3s and fat-soluble vitamins. The oil or brine in the can is part of what makes them taste so good and keeps them packed with nutrition. Instead of rinsing, just buy low-sodium varieties or adjust your meal's salt content. Keep all that delicious goodness intact. Mistake number 7. Thinking all sardines taste the same. Not all sardines are created equal. The flavor can vary greatly depending on where they're caught, how they're packed, and the time of year. Sardines from colder waters tend to have a firmer texture and cleaner taste, while those from warmer waters can be softer and richer. The packing liquid, like olive oil or tomato sauce, also impacts flavor. Experiment with different brands to find the one that suits your taste buds. Mistake number 8. Pairing sardines with the wrong flavors. Sardines are bold, savory fish that need the right pairings. They shine best when matched with bright, tangy ingredients like lemon, capers, or tomatoes. These balance out the rich oiliness and enhance their flavor. Avoid pairing them with heavy, sweet, or creamy ingredients that will overwhelm the taste. The key is contrast, light. Fresh flavors work wonders with sardines. Mistake number 9. Not using the precious oil. That golden oil is liquid gold. It's full of omega-3s, vitamins, and deep savory flavor. Instead of throwing it away, drizzle it over salads, sauté vegetables, or use it to boost the flavor of your pasta or stews. The oil even deepens in flavor once the can is opened, so it's a perfect ingredient to keep in your kitchen. Don't waste it. Use it to enhance your meals. Mistake number 10. Avoiding sardines. Because they're too fishy. Sardines are supposed to taste like the sea, but they shouldn't taste too fishy. If you find them too strong, the problem might be poor storage or the wrong pairing. Try adding some fresh lemon juice, vinegar, or herbs to brighten the flavor. You'll be surprised at how quickly that fishy taste fades into something delicious. Give sardines another chance. They're more versatile than you think. Sardines are one of the most affordable superfoods you can buy, but you need to treat them right. From choosing the right can to proper storage and pairing, these small tweaks will help you enjoy sardines the way they were meant to be eaten. If this video helped you, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more smart, healthy eating tips. Got a favorite sardine recipe? Share it with us in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring healthy, delicious foods, and I'll see you in the next video.